Do you need to remove text from your photo, but you don't know how to do it? You came to the right place. In this quick video, we're going to show you how you can remove the text from any photo using the power of artificial intelligence in Canva. It's a pretty simple tutorial, and make sure you watch the video until the very end because I have two solutions for you. Firstly, we will import the photo from which we want to remove the text, and we will add it to our design in Canva. As you can see, I have this cool sunset photo, but I also have this text which I want to remove because I want my photo to look cleaner and without distractions. All I have to do is to select the photo or click on it, and then we will find this Edit Photo button at the top of our screen. That is going to open a couple of different options and settings at the left side of our screen, and you should be able to see the Magic Studio section at the top. This gives us a bunch of different options, but in order to remove the text from our design, we will click on the Grab Text tool and wait a couple of seconds. This tool is available for Canva Pro users, but if you don't have Canva Pro or you don't want to pay for it, I have a free alternative, so stay until the end of the video and I'll show you how to do this for free. But Canva Pro users can use this Magic Grab tool. Canva will analyze your photo and it will make a selection of your text. You can then move the text, resize it, or simply delete it by clicking on the little trash can icon. Our text is removed from the photo, so we can download this to our computer. But as I said, if you don't have Canva Pro and you want to do this for free, you can use a different app called Photopea to remove the text from your photo. I have a separate tutorial on my channel on how you can remove the text using Photopea for absolutely free. And I will leave that video link in the description of this video, so go over, watch that tutorial, and learn how to remove the text from your photo for free. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.